I'm at Kendall Avenue in Shinfield, and I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour of this 2-bedroom bungalow that we've just taken to the market. The property is offered with no onward chain. It's located a stone's throw from amenities. You can walk to the local Lidl, Co-op, there's doctors, dentists, all very nearby. Property is really well presented. We've got parking here for at least 3 cars plus a garage. So let's take you inside and have a look around. So as I've mentioned, this is a very smart 2-bedroom bungalow. Just to give you some idea, it's nicely set back from the road. You've got garage with roller door, electrically operated of course. Gate providing you access into the rear garden. Okay, so entrance hall with kitchen off to my right. So it is a nice modern kitchen, white units, wood effect worktops and tiled surrounds as usual. Window providing garden view, which I'll go out to shortly. It's got space for all the appliances, so we've got washing machine and fridge space down here, electric cooker currently. But of course all that can be changed. The living room is a good size with fireplace and large sliding patio doors into a very smart conservatory. Decoration all very good. And there's no onward chain with this property either, so available for someone to move into pretty quickly. So conservatory, obviously brick to the lower parts, tiled floor. And they've replaced the roof, so rather than it having glass or the corrugated roofing, it's got a solid white roof, so it probably keeps it a little bit cooler in summer and warmer in winter, I guess. But it's a good sized space. You could easily use that as a dining room. Okay, so across the hallway we've got shower room. The shower's been added rather than a bath. I guess again you could reinstate the bath if you so wish, but it's a nice modern, decent sized shower cubicle, and then wash basin, WC with some storage. The main bedroom has got some large built-in wardrobes, sliding doors. Obviously window looking out towards the front of the property. And finally the second bedroom. Which again, if you didn't need a second bedroom as a bedroom, could be used as a dining room perhaps, or a second sitting room. But it is a double bedroom size. And of course stepping out into the garden. Nice size, but very easy to maintain. Combination, as you can see, of lawn and gravel, nice shrub beds. Very nicely done and planned out, shed in the corner. And of course rear of the garage, and there is pedestrian door from the garden. Okay, and that concludes the tour. If you'd like further details, do get in touch.